If I explain it, it is wet desert and maybe romantic. Yes, wet romantic desert. Have you ever heard of Kashti, or have you ever sniffed any perfumes or others from Kashti brand? This is an ultra niche natural brand. I'm going to link the website in my description, so if you want to check out the website. This is an artist or artisanal kind of perfumes, natural perfumes that are mostly using natural ingredients from India. Devyam Trivedi, you can check out his Facebook profile too. I am going to link everything in the description of this video. Today we have another perfume from this one, and I really love the slogan of this one, Kashti, Ocean of Scents. So I am right now dipping in the ocean of scents. I have already tried 2 of them and I really love them. So today we have, in this video we have Imperial Tabac Dubai. Let's see Tabac, how the tobacco has been used over here. Let's see if its name is Tabac, so it should have some. And let's spray. So it is green, it is kind of like dusty, and at the same time it is wet. Ooh, this is really good. This is funky. This is Hindi oud oil. This is tobacco, green tobacco, dusty. Really loving this profile of Hindi oud oil, the punch, the funkiness. It is light, sweet, dusty, kind of like you are traveling in the sand, but it is not sun over there. So it is like cloudy, and you have tobacco leaves somewhere around, or maybe tobacco trees or plants, and wet desert. If I explain it, it is wet desert and maybe romantic. Yes, wet romantic desert. This is the picture that is coming to my mind after sniffing this Imperial Tabac Dubai. This is really well done perfume. It is kind of like mesmerizing, romantic, yet wet kind of desert. You are traveling in the desert and maybe there are dark clouds on top and there are light wind blowing, which is kind of like musky, sexy kind of vibe. And then you have light green tobacco, which is a light dry kind of thing. So this is like light green dryness that is in the air. Even the clouds are at the top. This is going to be one of my favorite. Again, I think I am going to, this is going to be in my top 5. It has some funky note, or kind of like I would say funk that is present in Hindi oud oils. It has that, it has musk, it has wetness, it has maybe dry sand kind of vibe, and it has some wetness to it. That's why I'm saying that it is raining. And it has a calming effect. It is going to delight your soul. It is like you are, opening your arms and the wind is blowing in the desert. There are dark clouds, there is dry sand beneath your feet, and there is greenery somewhere that might be some plants of tobacco. Really great. If you are a man and you want to look or smell amazing in Dubai, I think this is going to hit the spot. This is the one. Imperial Tabac Dubai. So now I'm going to rate it. Let's rate it. So I'm going to give it 10 out of 10 for scent profile. I mostly don't give 10 out of 10 for most of the perfumes I sniff. This is kind of like very well balanced, very well toned kind of perfume that has been using tobacco. So never compare these with tobacco oud or other Tom Ford kind of oud perfumes. They are like a pile of dirt in front of these kind of perfumes. So these are really lovely creations. If I have the money, I think I would have a bottle of this one. So I'm going to give it 10 out of 10 for scent profile, and performance I'm going to give it 9 out of 10. I think it is going to perform well. It has Hindi oud oil, so it is going to stay on your skin. It has good power. I think it is going to stay like 5 to 6 hours or 4 to 5 hours, 4 plus hours on your skin. So this is my review about Imperial Tabac Dubai from Kashti Ocean of Scents. I really love this red inside and the black outside, which is really lovely and elegant touch for this packaging. Kashti Ocean of Scents, you can check out the Kashti website to order these perfumes, these beauties. I will meet you in another video. Till then, take care and bye bye and assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.